Hi students, so I'm here to talk about this week's homework, which will be due on Sunday, March 1st at midnight. If you need an extension, please let me know. First of all, though, I want to point out the announcement that you see on Blackboard about the Writing Center. Um, we have free help for you here at CCBC. It's on Thursdays from 4 to 6, so this is a good time for you because we don't meet for 054 during that time, so you could go and get help with your discussion boards, writing summaries or journals, and I will give out 25 bonus point homeworks just for going. So get your free points now. Okay, on to the homework. So this week is going to be for March 1st, the Black Power Salute, and the first thing you're going to do is write a summary. You're going to read the article from the Washington Post on the Black Power Salute. And then you're going to write a summary, and the summary should include the cause and context of the event, the background information of who, what, where, and why, how the event was viewed back then. In other words, when this happened in history, so what did people think back then about it? And the article, the Black Power Salute, is connected with the football players today in the United States. There's a controversy over football players kneeling during the national anthem because some people think it's an insult to the national anthem. Other people think that they are kneeling out of protest over social injustice. After that, you're going to watch the video about Melvin Bender and the Olympics. He was serving in the Vietnam War, and he was called home to participate in the Olympics because he was a fast runner. And he's going to talk about what it was like being Black during the war and his reaction to being in the Olympics. So as you watch the video, you're going to take notes on the description of being Black and serving in the Vietnam War and Bender's reaction to the Olympics. And then you'll submit it through here. Finish up your work on your history project. Complete the history journal. Remember, journals are a significant part of the grade, so make sure that this is a paragraphs, not just sentences. So when you go to the journals, if you see anything, the only one you're going to be working on is the history journal right here. You will be reading pages 61 through 98 in Prayers for the Stolen, and groups 5 and 6, be prepared for your presentations. And you're going to complete Literary Journal 1 for Prayers for the Stolen. Again, give a response in paragraphs, not sentences. And that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you. Goodbye.